Have you ever dreamed of waking up to the sound of ocean, breeze, and the serenity of nature? MegaOne is a premium residential estate that you can key into today. The reasons why you should buy MegaOnes are the landmark, the nature, and the price. The price of MegaOne today is cheap. You can compare it to the neighboring lands. They are more expensive, and MegaOne will soon go up. I'm telling you now, invest early. MegaOne is a great investment that you would love to invest into because it's an investment that give you a good profit, a good income. I'm telling you now, ain't me. Come and buy MegaOne. MegaOne is good and you will enjoy it. Buy from me, Oluwakemi, ọmọ wọn níjẹ̀bú, ọmọ onílé ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ lọ́nà pé, ọmọ agbolóhùn lọ́wọ́ olóhùn tèkútèkú, ọmọ onímàgbọ́n yàyàyó, ọmọ pàtà sọ́yìn, ọmọ elétí kan ràn bí aró, ọmọ Ìjẹ̀bú Òde, kékeré Ìjẹ̀bú, owó ni, àgbà Ìjẹ̀bú, owó ni ẹ̀yin tèmi, ẹ wá ra MegaOne. A kú ọdún o, èmi wá ṣọ̀pọ̀ ẹ̀. Bye for now.